Today, I wanted to talk about the 7 things that you need if you're going to go skiing for the first time. So this video is meant for people who have never skied before but want to go, and they're just going to rent some of their equipment on the mountain. But there are 7 things that you need to have before you get to the mountain so that you're ready to go skiing, and things that you typically can't rent on the mountain. So if you're going on that ski trip this year, good for you. I hope you have a great time. Be safe, be ready, and just enjoy the experience. It takes a little bit of time to learn skiing, but once you do, I promise you, it is worth it. So what are the 7 things that you need before you go to the mountain? The number 1 is you're going to need some high quality gloves to wear. We'll include a link to any of this stuff down in the description below, but if you've already got a good pair of winter gloves that are windproof and waterproof or water resistant, that's going to be what you want to wear while you go skiing. Number 2, you need a winter hat and a neck gaiter or neck cover, or something like a baklava or ski mask, which is going to cover the top of your head and a portion of your face and neck for when you're skiing. What you're going to find is having something like this is going to keep you much more comfortable, and when it's really cold and windy, you can use that to keep the wind off your face and neck, which is ultimately going to make you more comfortable, and you're going to be warmer while you're skiing. Number 3, you need to have a pair of ski goggles for skiing. If you're just going to be skiing during the day, you can get some tinted ski goggles that are going to work great. Now, if you're concerned about the cost of any of this gear, one hack that I have to reduce the budget on these items is go look at a thrift store. Oftentimes, you're going to find there is plenty of ski gear on sale there for very low and reduced prices that help you get into skiing at a reasonable price point. So that's something that I would recommend. But you can also look on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and or eBay for used gear deals. And as long as the lenses aren't really scratched, getting some used ski goggles is going to work perfectly fine. As long as you just clean them off, you're good to go, and is a way that you can reduce the budget on all of these items. Now we've got our hat, gloves, ski goggles. You're also going to need some kind of a winter coat to wear. Now ideally you would want a ski jacket. However, most winter coats, as long as they're windproof and waterproof, are going to do fine, and plenty of people have skied in non-specific ski jackets and had a great time. So whatever you got that is a winter jacket that's high quality is going to work. If not, once again, you can check out those thrift shops, and I've seen all kinds of great quality ski jackets available that maybe aren't name brands, but will definitely get the job done and allow you to go skiing the first time, to check it out and have a good time. The next thing that you're going to need is snow pants. So you can either go with a snow pants that are like a typical pants with a belt, or you can go with a bib type overall or coverall snow pants that are going to have some suspenders that will hold it over your shoulders. Either one is going to work. Once again, you just want something windproof and waterproof so you're going to stay warm on the slopes. And then in addition to those snow pants, you're also going to want to have some type of leggings to wear underneath. If you can get a winter specific legging like you would find for running, that is ideal. Or if you have some leggings already that are going to keep your legs warm, those will work too. And as long as you have those under your ski pants and you're keeping them nice and dry, that's going to make sure that you're comfortable. Now, this is probably one of the most important. You need a high quality wool sock, and you want to have one really good pair of wool socks, preferably wool ski socks, which are typically cut much higher and go up almost to your knee. And that's because you're going to wear these underneath your ski boots. Why you want a wool sock is because that's going to wick moisture away as well as reduce friction and be a comfortable sock that's going to keep your feet nice and warm while you go skiing. If you're concerned about getting cold feet, you can also get a heated sock. We'll have a link to those below, so check that out in the description. And they have a little battery pack that allow you to heat your socks while you're skiing and is going to keep you comfortable. But a wool sock or a wool heated sock is going to be the way to go. And you want to make sure it's plenty tall enough so that it rises above your ski boot, so you don't have any rubbing of the ski boot on your shin. You want to have those nice and tall ski socks that are going to fit in your boots. So that is the 7 things that you're going to need to go skiing the first time. The other things that you can rent at the mountain typically are skis, ski poles, ski boots, and of course a helmet. Now you may want to check where you're going to make sure that they rent helmets on these slopes. If not, you may need to purchase one, as well as it's a great idea to wear a helmet when skiing, especially if you're getting started, to protect your noggin. So in summary, the 7 things that you need before you go skiing for the first time are going to be: you need a hat and or baklava, a pair of quality gloves, snow pants, a jacket for skiing, wool ski socks or those heated ski socks, a set of ski goggles, and then leggings for underneath your ski pants so that you're going to stay nice and warm while you go skiing. So thanks for watching this video on these 7 things you need before you go skiing for the first time, and we'll see you next time.